Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to talk about this Popcorn Viburnum. Popcorn Viburnum is a type of Viburnum plicatum, but it's a much more compact variety. Regular Viburnum plicatum can get 15 feet in height or more, and probably 8 to 10 feet in width. Popcorn can be kept anywhere between like 5 to 8 feet in height and maybe 4 to 6 feet in width, which is about where this one is at this point. This one has beautiful flowers in clusters that are almost parallel down the two sides of the stem. This one is kind of past peak a little bit right here. It's a sterile cultivar. It won't get the berries afterwards, but the leaves that come in after the flowers are kind of fading, are pleated, and are really beautiful. So the foliage on this plant is really, really striking. It really doesn't even need to flower. It's super long flowered. A lot of these early spring flowering things are kind of done really, really fast. This one's been blooming for weeks now. So that's kind of nice. The fall, you'll get kind of a reddish purpley fall color, which is also, again, it's nice. It's really a 4-season plant, super low maintenance ornamental shrub. It's hardy in zone 5 to 8. So most of you watching this can probably grow it, and it likes moist, well-drained soil. If you have that, you're good to go. The more sun, the more compact it is, but it will tolerate part shade. We're talking a super pest resistant, deer resistant, very low maintenance shrub. After it flowers, if you need to do any pruning, that's the time of year to do it, and you can go after it pretty hard if it's a well-established plant. It can be fertilized with a slow release fertilizer in the late winter of your choice, just once a year, and that would be it. Mound it up a little bit when you plant it so it doesn't sit in water. And other than that, this is a plant that will really offer you a tremendous amount of color, and then this beautiful foliage throughout the season, and then also fall color as well. Again, this is a Viburnum plicatum popcorn. Thanks for watching.